Unlock a world of interactive learning and entertainment by mastering Kahoot. First, head over to Kahoot.com and either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. It's free and quick. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the big, inviting Create button in the top right and give it a click. Now, the fun begins. This is where you design your quiz. Start by typing your question in the main text box. Below your question, you'll see fields for answers. Input your answer options, and critically, click the circle next to the correct answer to mark it green. You need at least 2 answer options, and one must be correct. Want to make it even more engaging? Click the Add Media button to upload an image, choose from Kahoot's library, or even embed a short YouTube video related to your question. Don't forget to adjust the time limit and points for each question on the bottom left. Shorter times and higher points often amp up the excitement. To add more questions, simply click the Add Question button on the left sidebar and repeat the process for as many questions as you need. Once all your questions are set, click Done. In the top right you'll see a summary of your quiz. From here, click Play to start hosting. Your game lobby will appear, displaying a unique game pin. Share this pin with your audience. They'll enter it on their devices via the Kahoot app or Kahooted to join. As players join, their names will appear on the screen. Once everyone's in, click Start, and let the lively learning begin. Enjoy the interactive fun.